Welcome to ANZ News. Today we're talking gold, Gold Focus 2021 report and peak gold. We recently saw the release of the annual Gold Focus report from the independent precious metals focused consultancy, Metals Focus of London. Not surprisingly, given COVID disruptions, global gold mine production saw the biggest year-on-year decline since they started the report in 2010. Production fell by 119 tonnes, or 3%. To 3,478 tonne. Today we look at where this came from and look forward to changes in the supply dynamic. You will see in the first table below that Australia is neck and neck with Russia, but maintained its third ranking in production. From a regional Australian perspective, including Papua New Guinea, we should see a pickup this year. Lawrence Williams explains. Australasia also recorded an overall output fall, but this was almost all entirely due to a substantial fall in Papua New Guinea, due mainly to the shutdown of the big Porgera mine in dispute between the government and the mine owners. Those mine owners are Barrick and Zijin Mining. A tentative settlement on the dispute has been arrived at, with PNG receiving a bigger stake in the operation, and Barrick is working to reopen the mine, which at peak can produce a little under 20 tonnes of gold annually later this year. Williams goes on to talk about the forecast for 2021 and of course the peak gold question that always lurks, given the lack of new discoveries. For the current year, Metals Focus sees a rebound in gold or global gold production of around 6% to new record highs of 3,693 tonnes, thus reversing the decline seen in 2 years prior. The rise will come about due to the vast majority of mines operating at full capacity again, plus some new mines coming on stream during the year. ASM, or artisanal and small-scale mining production, will also likely increase due to higher gold prices and the easing of COVID-related restrictions in some countries. We think, though, that this may be an over-optimistic forecast. We do see a likely rise in global gold production, but quite possibly not by as much. RE, the elusive peak gold scenario. While a serious lack of gold exploration has led to a reduction in major gold discoveries, the gold growth baton has been taken up by the development of medium and small-sized gold projects, mostly in countries like Australia, Russia and Canada, and perhaps in Central and South America and Africa, which remains comparatively unexplored and underdeveloped. There is a distinct lack of major new gold mining operations in the development horizon, and any which may yet be found could take upwards of 10 years to finance, permit and bring into production. All that the industry can hope for is that these small and medium-sized new mine developments prove to be sufficient to stave off global production falls from declining grades and closures of existing gold mines. But we fear that this will be a losing battle despite higher gold prices, which could see some marginal operations stay afloat. Global gold production, therefore, looks to have, at best, plateaued. Annual world production may therefore remain stable or rise or fall by a couple of percentage points for another couple of years. Beyond that, global gold output looks likely to be on a continuing decline unless there is a major increase in the price of gold. And even then it may well come too late to stimulate any kind of significant global gold production. And this is what peak gold is really about. And so for those curious, the following tables we're going to show you for both 2019 and 2020, the global top 20 gold mining nations, the world top 20 gold producing companies, and the world's top 20 gold mines. Here are those charts here. We'll just roll them out with a bit of time for each one so that you can absorb that. Take a second, enjoy that. And meanwhile, if you are thinking of purchasing gold, silver or platinum, jump over to ainsleyBullion.com.au. After some crypto, ainsleywealth.com.au, and our own cryptocurrency built and backed by real gold and silver and stored at Reserve Vault. Externally audited, of course. Check out goldsilverstandard.com. Enjoy your Thursday, everyone, and we'll catch you tomorrow for end of week news. End of week.